How can you know a Semrock optical filter will work in your system under the different optical conditions present? Modeling the performance of your optical filters under the working conditions of your system is critical to the design of an optical system. It's not just important, it's the backbone of an optimal system design. Accurate tools for filter modeling are must-haves for the designer. IDEX Health and Science has a solution that empowers your optical filter designs for your system. Welcome to MyLight, our online optical filter modeling tool that allows you to quickly characterize the theoretical spectral behavior of our Semrock filters under various conditions. Traditionally, optical filter data only present standard conditions, but MyLight changes that. Whether your system uses a tilted filter or a cone of illumination, MyLight lets you input your working conditions to generate a spectral response graph. Access MyLight directly from any Semrock filter page. On the right, just above the measured data spectra, click the green MyLight button to show the theoretical filter spectral performance under standard conditions. Under the graph, enter parameters like plot wavelength range, angle of incidence, cone half angle, plot type, and polarization. Then click Generate Plot. Anytime you change modeling options, click Generate Plot again to see the new theoretical graph. MyLight also allows you to adjust the horizontal axis to show nanometers or inverse centimeters, and the vertical axis to show the transmission or optical density. You can download the numeric spectral data for further analysis and share it with colleagues by clicking the printer icon. To model the effect of different optical conditions on a complete system, you can find the same MyLight functionality for individual filters in Searchlight, our online spectral graphing and optical system simulation tool. Look for it at idex-hs.com/searchlight. As the world's only advanced optofluidic company, we apply IDEXology intelligence to protect you from risk and empower your business.